In our most recent YouTube video, we dove into the history and marvel of one of the Loire Valley's hidden gems, Le Chatelet. We spoke to Gregoire Le Lasseux, who spent more than 20 years restoring the chateau. And now, on this Patreon-exclusive video, we are going to dive even deeper into the mysteries of this charming chateau in Thilouze.
Did you custom design the stained glass windows? Were there stained glass there before?
Yes, we had stained glasses before. And during many centuries, they put wall because the stained glasses did disappear.
Okay.
And we just removed the wall during COVID.
Oh.
And made a new one with the French government choose us the design for us.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
That's really an interesting bit of information.
It's a 16th century design.
Okay. Was it hard to find somebody to create?
Yes, we have only 2 specialists in this area to restore stained glasses.
Oh my gosh. Okay, well, let's go over here. And let's start with here because there's, did you block that? Was that open?
No, it was always closed.
It was always closed.
Closed, yeah.
Okay.
And
it was closed a long time.
Yeah, long time.
Okay.
When we restored this place, we were not sure to have a building connect to the staircases here because the entrance is closed. But when we start the restoration, we had to dig land from this place to cut all the trees because it was a jungle before.
Yes.
And dug land. And when we dug 20 centimeters of land, we found nothing. And we said, this building never existed.
Okay.
But one day, we do the housekeeping on the second floor, and we saw 3 lines, grass burnt. And we realized the foundation are still here. They are deeper, and we had the building here before, connected to the staircases. Because when the grass is burnt like this, you have stone underground.
Yes.
Yeah.
Did you discover any of that when you excavated or you removed the soil, or was it farther down?
No, because we stopped to dig the floor from the 16th century. No more.
No more. Okay.
We try to respect the floor and to stop to dig.
Do you think those foundations are older than 16th century?
I'm not sure.
Not sure.
Because it's the same concrete as this building.
Oh, it is.
It's the same color and the same mixture.
Oh. Now, one last question.
Yeah.
On this side, can you tell me?
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about that.
It's the coat is damaged on the right because it was a coat. This coat was inside the building before.
That's what we thought. Yes.
Yeah. And when it's outside, this coat is less stronger than the coat they use outside.
Okay. So that is the difference.
Yeah.
Now, what do you speculate was something decorative there? The pieces, they look like they've been broken off. And do you think that was some sort of stonework or something, design?
It's
hard to say.
Yeah, hard to say. We don't know why these stones are like this.
Yes.
Maybe they expect a decoration, but we are not sure.
Those are the pieces on top. Are they original?
They are copied from anywhere. Here, it's a soft stone. It's not a strong stone.
Okay.
And every century we have to restore, to rebuild. And here, we copy this. It's a copy from 16th century design.
I see.
It's not the original one. Because every century we have to do it again.
Yeah.
But anyway, in 16th century, they always use the same decoration, a scallop shell, like this.
Yes, I see.
Now that you know more about Le Chatelet, we hope you take the time to watch the full video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Do you know anyone who loves castles and history? Tell them about the Saving Castles community by sharing our YouTube channel and our Patreon page so they can join us in the adventure of learning about these majestic structures and the wonders of the past. The links are in the description. Thanks for watching.